Hi guys, as per the outlook, in fact, this is now in the news in almost every paper. Indian Express, Hindustan Times, I've confirmed everywhere. Students of IIM Calcutta have demanded reduction in the fees, and the letter is very strong. Let's check out the letter first. So college response we'll see afterwards. First we'll check out the letter. Student Council's President Hunar Gandhi have written the letter. In the economy looked grim and the graduating batches might be adversely affected. That is true, guys. This 2021 batch, the passing out in 2021 batch, the guys who are in second year are the most affected people, will be the most affected people of this coronavirus situation. That obviously all of us agree. So many of us have availed a hefty loans while others end up spending their savings from the previous job for this course. We are managing personal finances in this difficult time. We cannot afford to pay the same fees for a different and a lesser experience that we signed up for. Now this is a typical thing, because all the classes are going to be online, everything is sitting at home. So why to pay that much money? Yeah, because obviously the fees is too much in MBA program. So MBA program, the fees is now paying 22 lakh rupees of fees. Some of the colleges are paying 25 lakh of fees as well. And I need to check with the global MBA as well, the global programs where they will make you travel to 3 countries and charge you 40 lakh fees. What is going to happen to those students? Will they get a refund? So obviously anxiety and concern from the student point of view is very much valid here. But let's look at the response which college have given to them. Responding to the letter by the students, this is what the director have said. This is said by the Anju Sheth, director of the college. We know your plans have been altered and you face unforeseeable challenges. Your safety is our primary consideration. That obviously that's why the colleges have been shut, because of safety concern. And we will do our best to bring the colleges back to campus at the earliest. Yep, with all precautions, we miss you and want you here. That's it. Yeah, that's a typical Indian education system. Yeah, question was something else, answer is something else. But I can understand her problem. Yeah, she can't say in writing that your placement will provide you the placement, everything, because placement is not college ka job. Yeah, college ka job is to provide education. Yeah, but scenario will be sense. But those those are watching this video, those who are preparing for MBA, you need not to be worried, because we will have a recovery. Obviously in India we'll have a recovery, we'll have a V-shaped recovery soon. So this is 2020. Yeah, this will be 2021 ka placement, 2022 ka placement, 2023 ka placement. By the time 2022 2023 market would have recovered a lot. So don't need to worry about that. So you just keep preparing, keep studying for the thing. But this news need to be told. So that's why I'm making the video out of this. That fees reduction hoga, nahi hoga, we have to wait and watch. Yep. All the best.